Introducing Roshan Digital Account from eBanc by HBL, a digital account for overseas Pakistanis. To open your account, visit our website. Click on Apply Now, enter the email address, check this captcha box and submit. Check your email for a 6-digit one-time password or OTP. Enter the password here and submit. Complete the 5-step process starting with your personal details. Once the details are filled, click Save and Next to proceed. Fill in your contact details starting with your residential address. Once you are done, click Save and Next to proceed. Fill in other miscellaneous details like your tax identification number and your employment details. Once you are done, click Save and Next to proceed. Finally, upload important documents as mentioned in the form. Once you are done, read the terms and conditions, and if you agree to them, press Submit. Read the key fact sheet and press Submit. Once you have uploaded the application, the bank will verify the documents and revert if anything else is required. Once all documentary requirements are complete, your eBanc Roshan Digital Account will be activated.